FX Nation, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas to everybody. I wish you guys have a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Take care of yourselves, spend it with your family, guys. Alright, guys, so in this video here, we're going to go over some setups that we caught during London session this morning, and let's just go ahead and jump right into it, guys. So first is going to be pound USD, and again guys, I can't stress this enough, we're looking for clear and obvious setups, right? So what do we have here? We have a type 1 setup here, where here's our Asian box, price moves below the Asian low, and then as you can see here, it pins to blueberry here, comes up, comes right back down to retest it, and moves away. This is a very nice classic setup, and you know, it's about a 70 pip move there, which is awesome. Pound Swiss, again, clear and obvious setups. We have here a type 2 setup, we're pinning the actual Asian high this time, and as you can see, we come up, we came down to water, came right back up to the same level to retest it, and then straight down. So that particular move was about 45 pips or so, depending on where you got in and got out at. But another nice clear setup, which is the most important thing. Nice and clear setups. Now, pound CAD. Pound CAD was pretty interesting because, as you can see here, right out of the Asian box, we had a nice little star formation form. Okay, we actually took that trade down. Okay, and we took it down to, we were thinking it was going to go to Mayo here. It did not go to Mayo. Okay, what it did though was it reversed. It was reversing at the same time. So literally as it was making this W, we were still in it, and we ended up getting out of the trade right there, right here, and we got in it as a buy. So we traded it both ways. Okay, so we traded it number one, the first way down, because we have a little tight Asian range. We had the star perfect. I mean, you can't get any better star formation than this. We traded it down. We were thinking take profit at Mayo. Didn't quite make it to Mayo. I think with the spread it might have made it, but it really didn't. It was a little, you know, probably like 3 pips short of Mayo. Anyway, so we were still in it. We were holding it as it came back up, and it did the second bottom. We were like, you know what? Let's flip it. Let's get out of it, and then let's buy it. Okay, and so we're lucky enough that we did that, and we got the move on the other side of it as well. So very interesting trade on pound CAD there. All right, let's jump over to EURJPY here, and you can see very similar star formation here as well. This happened to be a type 1 setup as we're above the Asian high, but as you can see, star formation here, and you literally just take it down to about 30 to 40 pips. This one happened to be 55 pips or so, and the last one that we got here, guys, was EURUSD. Again, we traded this one out of the Asian range, traded out of the edge, so we have the W formation here, and we got it in it and out of it. Some traders got out of it at Mayo. Other traders decided to go back into it, but to be honest with you, I got out at Mayo, so I always ride out to Mayo. So to me, it was only about 20 pip move. Others took it all the way up, so it just depends. That would have been a 40 pip move or so. But for me, I'm always trying to take profit at Mayo or at water, depending on where the bars are. But that's pretty much it, guys. not a lot of trades. You're not going to see a lot of trades around this time of year. Guys, comment below. Let me know what you thought of these setups. Also, comment below and let me know if you'd like me to continue these videos into next year. So let me know what you guys want, and I'll be sure to put it out there for you guys. All right. Until next time, guys. Have a great day. Guys, one last thing. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate the fact that you take the time to watch my videos. I really hope that I've added value in each of the videos that I make for you guys, and I hope that you're learning something. As always, guys, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please like and share the videos if you found value in them. And also, don't forget to visit our website at www.fxntradinggroup.com. Once again, guys, thank you so much. I'm truly blessed.